job of the day. This trailer loves to bend hangers in. Let's see how bad it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we'll cut all that. I've already done all three of that side, and this is the only side that I haven't done. Okay, let's take this trim off. Yeah, just take my camera off. Just bent and ripped everything. So I'm gonna put some 3x5 by quarter and then plate it on the back with a 1/4 inch flat plate. I'm gonna take this trim off though. Alright, I called Jerry. I am cutting this off. I did the other three side and then I took that off, so just wanted to call and make sure that he was okay with me cutting that. He is. And I'm going to cut it all off, take it off the bottom, and then fix this hanger mounting situation. I'll inspect his other hanger mounts. The other ones look okay. But let's get this one done. It looks a little broke. That's amazing. Man, this stuff's so thin. I think everything's off the ground here. I know this axle's gonna drop when let me get a jack underneath this thing. I had to crawl underneath. I got jacks, I'm safe. Come on. All right, need a punch. Crawling back under. Body roll. Okay. Thank you. And let's drop this down. Coming down. Nice and slow. Looks like we need to put a new bushing on that. Come all the way down as far as you can go, please. Perfect. Come on, baby. I know you're broken. Come on. Got it. Yeah, you're broken off. Hit it with my first. Look how thin that is. That's wild. All right, now we're gonna flatten this out. Almost flat. Good. Take this LED tape off. Okay. I got one more section to take off. Good. All right. Flatten out tubing. Tubing is flat. Go to the outside. Do the same. Combat roll. Combat roll. I got everything flat. I'm gonna put this piece of 3x5 angle right here, and then I'm gonna put this piece on the back side and weld that all together. That way we got a good foundation to weld to. Let's get it. Let's get back under. Grind the back piece. Combat roll. Combat roll. Goodness, it would help if I remember to grab the piece of steel that I need to measure off of. Come on. Come on, please. Got it. All right. See the mark right here. So, go. Weld the bottom of that. Grab my piece of angle. Shove it up and on. Yes. And then we'll just go like that. I think it's the best option. And I can weld here, weld underneath this, weld that. I might just weld. Let's just cut that piece right here. 4 and in. 2 inch by whatever that is. All right, let's cut that and then get the fitment. Mark. Good, let's cut that. Bandsaw time. It is cut out. Let's do some more combat rolls. Combat roll. Good. And does it fit? Oh my goodness, it does. It smells like Philly cheesesteaks under here. Mark. That's good. We'll mark this again. Alright, that's ready for weld. Let's clean up this hanger and get all the weld off and the bad pieces and then clean that up. Let's cut the bad stuff off. Alright, got the bad pieces off the old frame. I'm gonna clean this up and then mock it up to weld it. Hanger's all cleaned up, so I'm gonna tack up all of that stuff and then I'll put this on, tack it up, weld the whole thing out. Right, I got everything within reach. I'm going to clamp up the plates and the angle, tack it on, make sure everything's good, and then burn it on. Got my welding hood and crawl underneath. I got everything mocked up. I have the jack holding the hanger in place. I have it 32 1/4. I'm gonna double check that measurement from the bottom, but it's 32 1/4 from the outside of that hanger to the inside of this hanger. I'm gonna go check the other side and then tack it. 32 3/4 here. Double check on this side. Hold on, thank you. 32 3/4, perfect. Let's tack this baby on. We're tacked on. We're 32 3/4. 32 3/4. Hello.
Hey, how bad am I fucking?
You're not anymore, I'm fixing it.
Well, I know that.
I'll send you the video so you can see how fucked up you were. Alright, got everything almost taken off. I gotta take off this rest of this aluminum here. Aluminum's off, let's paint this thing black. Bottom's getting painted. This thing is done. New hanger welded on. I boxed in the frame with 1/4 inch 3x5 and then a piece of 1/4 inch on the top. Welded it in. Everything's nice and tight. Good stuff. Side's good too. A little bit of paint. I got 2 new bolts on there for him. His U-bolts are fine. His axle's fine. His spring is fine. Everything's welded to the same spec as the other side, so it's going to track straight. Let's get tires and wheels back on, torque them, and get out of here. Alright, everything's cleaned up. Time to torque lug nuts. Get out of here. Driver side front. Driver side front done. Driver side rear. Driver side rear done. Lug nuts are torqued. Put this block back in. This job's done. Fixed his frame, boxed it in, used some 3x5 by 1/4 and some 1/4 inch plate. Cleaned up his hanger, welded it back on, make sure everything was square. The tires and wheels are back on, everything's torqued. He's done, and I'm on to the next.